Hey guys, welcome to Larocks Cooking Adventures. And today, I'm Rico Larock. And today, we're gonna make roasted broccoli. For this recipe, you need broccoli, oil, garlic, salt, garlic, breadcrumbs. For this recipe, we need broccoli, oil, S-A-L-T, salt, pepper, garlic, breadcrumbs. First we wash the broccoli, then we cut it in little pieces. Then call Daddy. Hey Daddy,
What?
could you come help me?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm making a video.
You making a video? I ain't dressed for no video. What you got going on here?
Making roasted broccoli.
Okay, what you want me to do?
Cut it.
Cut the broccoli? I ain't dressed for this. All right, come on. Look out. Move your hands. How you want to cut, Chef?
I want little pieces.
Little pieces? Okay. Into florets. Say, dude, what kind of broccoli you making anyway?
I'm making roasted broccoli.
All right, making roasted broccoli. All right, I'm out of here. I'm busy. I'm trying to enjoy this Sunday and watch TV. You over here got me on production. I ain't part of this situation. Are these big enough or small enough, or do they need to be smaller?
That's all right.
Are you sure? All right, I'm out of here.
Bye-bye.
Finish making your video, dude. Shout out to all our subscribers on Larocks Cooking Adventures. Shout out to the guys who just stumbled across this channel. We thank you all. Peace.
Daddy, I need your help again.
What is it this time?
Open!
Okay, so guys, we're gonna preheat the oven to 425, and then we're gonna cook it for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. All right, Reeks, where are you in this process? What's next? Okay, you wanna add your broccoli?
Hey guys, first we're gonna add our oil, then our seasons. Mix it up. Next, we're gonna put our broccoli in the mix. Next, we're gonna put the broccoli on a sheet tray. Next, we're just gonna spread our broccoli out. Then we're gonna put our breadcrumbs. We didn't use all this. Next, we're gonna put this in the oven. Daddy!
Huh?
Come put this in the oven.
All right. Hey guys, I'm back co-starring with Rico's broccoli mess. Okay, excuse me, sir. We're gonna put this in the oven at 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Ugh, it's hot in there. All right, I'm gonna set a timer for 20 minutes.
Hey guys, 20 minutes is up. Dad, could you come help?
Yeah. All right, let's see what your product looks like. Step back, son. You're gonna get burned. Ooh, smoky. Take a look, guys. Roasted broccoli, Rico Larock style. Rico, this pan's super duper hot. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Here, you want to take these and put them on your plate? Just take a little bit. Hey, watch this edge. Come on. Come on. Take a little bit. Watch the edge. Don't burn yourself. Come on. Work, son. Work. Yep. Just like that. A little bit more. Yep. Beautiful. Guys, this was about 1 pound of broccoli florets. Just 1 pound. Okay. Pappy, end your video. That's it. About to burn yourself.
There, guys. There we have it.
There you have it. What do you have?
I have roasted broccoli.
All right. You tell the people to
Subscribe to our channels and watch out and give us a thumbs up.
what is it?
Give our thumbs up.
Thumbs up?
Mhm.
Or thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
There you go. Thank you guys for watching Rico Larock's roasted broccoli. Get one more view of that. Looks good. Thank you guys for watching. We love you. Peace.